Next week is Utah Advanced Manufacturing Week, a time that we get to showcase and feature all of the awesome manufacturing that's happening here in the industry in Utah. So we have Rick Bullion here from Salt Lake Community College and Eric Maxwell here from Salt Lake Economic Development. Excuse me, Jake. I'm so sorry. First, let's give us an idea. So we have a demo here.
Yeah, we do.
Some of the things that we manufacture here in Utah.
Well, first of all, thanks for having us.
Yeah.
On Monday, it is Advanced Manufacturing Day at Salt Lake Community College at our new West Point Center.
Okay.
From 8:30 in the morning till 7 p.m. We want people to come by because we have a great partnership program with 5 partner companies. In aerospace and defense, we have Albany Engineered Composites and Boeing. In the medical device industries is BD and Merit Medical. And then also in making trains, Stadler Rail, a Swiss company. So
it sounds like just a really awesome opportunity to get some face-to-face time, ask some questions if you have them, right?
Absolutely, because excuse me, individuals are going to have that opportunity to see what they would be doing in one of those 5 companies. In fact, it's Halloween today, so here's some carbon fiber material for you. Pretty flexible.
Yeah, it feels like upholstery fabric.
Yeah. Well, I don't have a knowledge of that. However,
well, your couch, you know,
well,
it
there
feels
you go.
like a couch.
All right, and then you need to make it into something. So it is Halloween. So
yes,
cut it into the shape of a pumpkin,
awesome.
and then put a few of those layers together with some resins. You cure it. And that's a pretty hard surface.
That is an extremely hard surface.
So there is your carbon fiber material. Helmets are made out of it. Of course, airplanes are made out of this. And then Jake has a high-level carbon fiber bike that he uses. And so this is just one material and one opportunity for individuals to find out what their next career could be.
So we've talked about a little bit about what industries people might be able to see. What kind of people are you targeting here? I understand that there's a lot of opportunities for even, young teenagers, you know?
Good. Well, we have over, like I said, with the 5 companies, we have hundreds of jobs that are needed with these companies. And so anyone who wants to either start a career or have a career change, they want to have a living wage and a career path. It's not just a job, it's a career path. And to get started, Utah Works, it's a state-funded program. The beauty of this is they come in, they take a look at what these 5 companies have to offer. They apply for those companies, and then they'll come to Salt Lake Community College to do the training. And they're getting paid while they're doing the training because they're already employed by one of those companies.
That's the big thing. I think it's so amazing that these opportunities, that you're getting all this training, but you're also getting paid. You know what I mean? You can work your way through school, work your way through your career. I love that. What is the goal of these industries? I know that they're looking for employees. Why is it so important to them that they're onboarding and training new people?
Well, they're offering opportunity to Salt Lake City residents, which is what I'm really excited about. But of course, you know, they want to make sure that we're getting people into the workforce. So a couple of things that we really need to work on is the perception of manufacturing. A lot of people still think that it's that dark, dangerous assembly line, but we're so far from that. The diversity of offerings within manufacturing and the emerging technology is fascinating. So I think it's more just about creating awareness of what these opportunities have.
Okay. Where can people go for information about that Monday event?
slcc.edu, or come out to the West Point Center. It's 1060 North Flyer Way. And they can take tracks, and we're going to have a shuttle running every half an hour. So if they go to the 1940 West North Temple stop, we'll have a shuttle going every half an hour. We'll get you to the West Point Center, and we'll get you into a new career.
Perfect. Awesome. Easy to do. As always, you can find that information online as well, abc4.com/JMU. Brian?